5 laps to go for Koya. Just praying we don't get a caution. I kind of want a caution because that would be his 3rd win in the season. I really don't want him to have a 3rd win. I want Brandon Queen to win, but that's not going to happen, so. We don't all get what we want now, do we? I just want Queen to get a good result. If he doesn't win, I want Queen to do good. And he's already doing good. Two. Through 3 and through 4. White flag for Corey Heim. Where's the caution thing at? Oh, I wanted the caution cam. We like that.
But he's got a 3-second advantage. How about this battle on the right? Check your watch. It's high time.
I don't gotta watch. Indeed is Heim time.
Nice shot in the arm for a couple teams that needed it. As you mentioned, Finger and Riggs. Friesen gets his first top 10 of the year.
Not even.
Brennan Quaid passes more than 60 trucks in his debut and finishes 4th. Sammy Smith comes back to finish.
Not even an hour and 20 minutes. Not even an hour and a half. This race started at about 11:40. It's now 12:50. Just over an hour. It's not 3 times practice. What the fuck you mean? He's had a lot of time. Gotta add that 3rd sticker. It's Heim time, boys!